How to plan a balanced diet for healthy living. Here is a sample of how you can plan and prepare nutritionally balanced meals throughout the day. For breakfast, look at combining complex carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Complex carbs ensure a slow release of sugars, causing a steady rise in blood glucose levels. They also promote feeling of fullness. A few breakfast options are a medium-sized bowl of overnight oats with milk topped with some chopped fruits and soaked nuts, a vegetable sandwich made using whole wheat bread, or a spinach and mushroom omelette with 2 slices of whole wheat bread. Everyone loves snack time. Snacks can help avoid long gaps between meals and also help in maintaining steady energy levels. Snack time varies from person to person and can be planned according to how they would best fit your schedule. For your midday snacks, some healthy options could be a fruit with a few nuts like almonds, vegetable sticks with a hummus or a yogurt dip, or a cup of boiled beans with chopped vegetables or a handful of fox nuts. For lunch, your plate should include 50% vegetables, 25% whole grains such as brown rice, millets, or Indian bread such as roti or bhakri. The remaining 25% can consist of lean protein like chicken or fish. Other options may include pulses or beans like chickpeas and lentils. Cottage cheese or paneer and curd are some other protein-rich options that you can add to your meals. If you feel like munching something in the evening, you can plan your evening snacks in the same way as your midday snacks and include healthy options to satisfy your hunger. Finally, let's not forget dinner. It's advisable to have a wholesome dinner similar to lunch almost 2 to 3 hours before you hit the bed. However, if you happen to eat late, you could consider having a hearty salad with some grilled chicken or tofu, or a vegetable soup without cream. And the final step is to figure out what foods you must limit or avoid. Following a balanced diet is fairly simple. But you must also know that there are some foods that you may eat only occasionally. These include what we call junk food. Think of products made of refined flour, sugary drinks, and deep-fried foods. These foods are processed and stripped of nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them poor in essential nutrients. So now that you are more aware, you can plan your meals and follow a balanced diet. Combining this with regular exercise and quality sleep will gear you for a healthy and happy life.